is a model of a three-phase induction motor. So similar to the actual motor. So this is actual three-phase motor. It runs with a full voltage 440 volts. The working principle of such motor can be learnt with this model. So this is model of a three-phase induction motor. It is consisting of a stator, and so here I can take out the rotor out, and you can see the construction of the rotor here. The rotor consisting of a conductors, okay, copper conductors, short circuited at both ends, and it is very free to rotate. And stator is a stationary. It is consisting of a three phase windings. Each winding will have two terminals: starting point, ending point, starting point, ending point, starting point, and ending point. I will insert the rotor in the model. So as I told, it is very free to rotate. Let us see how the model works, and student can understand the working principle of motor very easily. Okay. As it is a three-phase induction motor model, so for which we have to give three-phase supply. Okay. And also it has to be connected in star or delta connection. Now to make the star connection, we have to short all the similar points, that is starting point or ending point. Now I am going to short all the end points. I am assuming that point, this is the ending point. So each will have one starting ending point, starting point and ending point. Now to make the star connection, I am going to short all the end points of the stator coils. I shorted all the end points, red point and red point, and I am going to give supply to the starting points. Starting point are the white terminals. So I have connected to the supply. Because it is a model, it is not actual motor, it is a model of a three-phase induction motor. So for which I have to give a less voltage. Three phase voltage, but less voltage, about 10 volts, for which I am going to use a three-phase auto transformer. So here I can vary the voltage from 0 to 400 volts, because it is a small model, tiny model. So I will give the very less voltage. I can switch on the supply. You can see the motor starts working. So that very easily visualize the working principle of a three-phase induction motor, rather than connecting the motor, and they may not be able to understand the actual working principle of the induction motor. Now the motor starts running. When I switch off the supply, the motor will stop running. Now if you want to change the direction of the motor, now present it is working in the direction. If I want to change the direction, so we have to switch off the supply, change any two terminals here. On the supply, the motor will start running in the clockwise direction. So like this, we have a very good models, such type of models like a generator model, motor models, all types of models we have. So from which the students can understand the concept of motor and generators very easily.